Curiosity Kid back, and today we're going to be shooting some cans. So, let's see, I've got a pellet gun. It's a Crosman Optimus. It shoots at 495 FPS, break barrel, and then I've got Crosman pointed pellets. I don't know what grain they are, I think. Yeah, I don't know. It's 0.177 millimeter. These are full cans. I've shaken them. So one we're going to be shooting upright, and we're going to have slow-mo. And then one we're going to try shooting like this and see what happens. So yeah, I'm going to set you up so you're pointed down range. Let's get started. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna just take you guys down to the end there and show you what I got going down there. But yeah, so we got our cans. We're gonna go set one of them up to 7 up, and then I just got a log here, and then these are empty. These ones are empty, but I just want to see in the slow-mo when I shoot it how much kind of force it has. But yeah, so this one's the full one and these ones are just empty. So actually I got another one just here. I shot this one already, so just so you guys know that that's full is there already. Let's see what happens when we shoot this one and see what kind of, yeah. So I'm gonna set this phone up here with the slow-mo, and then we're gonna go back down there. Okay, so we've got that all set up. I showed you how I've done that. So let's do this. I'm gonna go turn on the slow-mo. Okay, so everybody ready? Shooting can with pellet gun at probably 15 feet. Okay. Well, let's go. I'll show the slow-mo now. And yeah. Okay, so it didn't explode like I thought it would, but it was kind of cool anyway. I didn't hit it straight on. Maybe I'll shoot the next one again. But so yeah, those went flying. Did this get? Well, yeah. So there's some to drink. Phone got a little bit. But yeah, so that's what happens. We'll shoot the other one. Let's shoot the other one like this, because I have a feeling. Let's shoot the other one like this, because I have a feeling if we shoot it like this, it's just gonna, wait, sorry. If we shoot it just like this, it's gonna just put a hole in it and it'll spray out like this one. So let's damage. Let's try to just, it came in here and went up here. Let's just do this way again. Okay. So set you guys back up down. Okay, so you saw that. So I set up the other can. There's the old can in behind it to all the same setup basically. So the full can is in the middle. So I'll go start the Slo-Mo. Load the gun. Glasses. All right. Okay, so we'll go down. Okay, so it didn't turn out like I thought it would. I thought the cans would like bust, but apparently not. But we still got some cool Slo-Mo footage out of it. So it entered on this side. I was trying to aim down here, but my gun must be, I probably need to sight it again, but so it went in and it came out. So comparison, they're both the same. So yeah, hope you like this video. Subscribe, like, share, comment, hit the little bell icon if you're subscribed, and if you want to receive all the notifications. Comment if you have any video suggestions, because yeah. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.